I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
I'm excited to take you on a walking tour of Llevant Beach, one of the most stunning beaches in Barcelona. As we walk along the shore, you'll notice the beautiful Mediterranean Sea and the stunning views of the city skyline in the distance. It's the perfect spot to snap a few photos and capture memories that will last a lifetime. If you're feeling adventurous, you can rent a paddleboard or a kayak and explore the sea. The calm waters are perfect for these activities, and it's a great way to get some exercise while taking in the beautiful views. As we make our way back, you'll notice the lovely beach bars and restaurants that line the boardwalk. These are the perfect spots to grab a refreshing drink or a bite to eat while taking in the stunning view of the sea. I hope you enjoyed this walking tour of Llevant Beach. If you did, please hit the like button and leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more travel content.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye!